This is a house on Friendly Drive north of Tomahawk, out near Lake Nokomis and in the town of Nokomis. It's a very well kept 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. This leads into a 3-season screen room from Leisure City Screen Rooms. Got a pretty view out the windows. When you walk in the door, you go into the living room. And here's the dining room, which rolls into the kitchen. Lots of nice cabinet space. Pretty etched glass between the kitchen and the 4-season room. And here is the washer and dryer, very handy with lots of cabinet space. Little cubbies down here. More cupboards and closets. And this walks into a 4-season room with nice windows, updated windows. And a very nice built-in bookshelf with cabinets and drawers. This is the bathroom with a newer glass shower, all tiled. Decent sized linen closet there. And this is bedroom number 1. Again, this is a very well maintained home. Very solid. Bedroom number 2. Closet is here. And then this just wraps back around to the living room. This is the basement. We have a point well down here, but there is a drilled well outside. Water heater. Forced air furnace. This leads to Bilco doors, so you can get things down into the basement easily. This is an office space. This door leads to a root cellar, and then you just have more storage here. Back up the steps.